Hello, today I'm going to show you a quick recipe. Even if you can't cook, you can cook it. I'm going to use 2 generous spoonfuls of crickets. Just going to add a bit of balsamic vinegar and mix. I'm going to prepare the olive bread. I'm going to cut the garlic clove in half and then rub each slice. These are now ready to go under the grill for 10 minutes. Slice 2 tomatoes. We also chop the basil and the leftover garlic. We now add olive oil, mix, and you get a nice juice on the bottom, which will spread on the bread. Put the bread in the oven for 5 minutes. The bruschetta are ready to be garnished. Let's add the marinated crickets to the tomato. And we garnish the bruschetta with it. Here it is.